Hey everyone, imagine cruising down the highway in a car that combines the best of 70s muscle with the latest tech and style. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS. With its bold design and powerful performance, it's the comeback we've all been waiting for. If you're a fan of car reviews and love staying up to date with the latest releases, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Let's get right into it. The first impression? The 2025 Chevelle Malibu SS immediately demands attention. Chevrolet has blended its iconic muscle car heritage with a sleek, retro-modern twist. Inspired by the original 1970s models, the car has a bold front grille with a mesh pattern that pays homage to the classic Chevelle. The grille is topped with the signature Chevy bow tie emblem and flanked by LED headlights that add a fierce, modern edge. And the hood air intakes, not just for looks, they help keep the powerful engine cool. As we move along its silhouette, the Chevelle Malibu's aerodynamic lines and sculpted fenders enhance its sporty profile. Wheel options range from 18 to 20 inches, so you can choose the perfect look for your style. And let's talk colors. Chevrolet offers a palette that includes a deep maroon, vibrant electric blue, and a sleek matte black. It's a mix of nostalgic tones and fresh, bold options. At the back, dual exhausts and a smooth rear diffuser create a clean yet aggressive look. The LED taillights, inspired by classic designs, give a nod to the car's heritage while still looking thoroughly futuristic. Now step inside and the interior won't disappoint. The cabin balances classic muscle car vibes with premium tech features, meeting today's high standards. Leather and Alcantara upholstery set the tone, with contrasting stitching options that add a personal touch. The dashboard boasts a customizable digital instrument cluster where you can view everything from speed and fuel stats to performance metrics. And then there's the crown jewel of the tech setup, a 12-inch touchscreen loaded with Chevrolet's latest software. Whether you're into Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or just love the convenience of over-the-air updates, it's all here. Finally, let's talk performance, because that's what really defines a Chevelle. Chevrolet offers two engine choices. The base model is powered by a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering 310 horsepower and 348 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's got plenty of power for everyday driving, with that extra kick when you need it. The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS, where timeless muscle meets modern innovation. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and car releases right here on Car Release TV.